Good morning everyone. Hope you are doing well. We are in Moinga right now, near Tanzania border. We are heading to Bujumbura from
Mama Tami. Mama Tami. You got to know why I kidding.
bypass.
You got to know why I kill you cannot.
You can see the view. I'm just moving bypass, and this is the local soko, local market. And you can, so don't skip the video, you just go through the video, you can see the real Africa. This Moinga town is just nearby the Tanzania border. So we are nearby Tanzania. Tanzania border is just 30 kilometers from here, Moinga town.
Boss. Nyaruka dogo. Ale kapipora vantu vaza kuimisha kaka.
So slowly we are moving, and I am going to Bujumbura. So Bujumbura is 220 kilometers from here, 200 kilometers, almost 200 kilometers from here. It will take 4 hours if you are going by bus, and on the way is beautiful. It's totally mountain. This Moinga, Karusi, Itega, and Muramya, Bugarama, then Bujumbura. This town is situated on hill, on mountain. So I can show the beauty. Just many laws are here. You can come and stay here. The weather is too cold. Just behind the small market. They are selling banana, samosa, and sweet potato, onion, tomato. mountain. The whole town is situated in mountain, on mountain. The first and this bus is belongs the Tata bus. You know the see Karusi is 45 kilometer from here. This road is going to Nagozi and this one is going to Karusi. Now the town is going to almost finish. And see the beauty of mountain. Bananas, tree, avocado, beans, coffee. They are doing farming, maize, sweet potato. So I think in this video, this vlog is enough now. We will continue in next vlog. Peace out.